For this is the side opposite left cap. And one thing I want to emphasize is this is not the same as this, right? You want to try and get a full range of motion, so you're not doing like a little baby cap, you're doing a big cap. For the left hand, let's start at the top and we'll go down, out, up, 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 down, out, up. 8 more, and 6 more, and 4 more, 3, 2, and 1. The right hand, we're going to start at the bottom and we'll go up, out, down, 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 out, down, up, 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 out. 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, last one. And 5, 6, 7, 8, down, out, up, 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 down, out, up. 8 more, and 6 more, and 4, 3, 2, 1. And the right hand starting from the bottom, 5, 6, 7, 8, up, out, down, 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 up, out, down. 8 more, and 6 more, and 4, 3, 2, and last one. Now, since we're sandwiching drills, whichever one is your weakest, I'm going to do the left because that's my weaker, but whichever one is your weakest, do your weakest hand for this next set of 16. If you're starting with the left, start at the top. If you're starting with the right, start at the bottom. 5, 6, 7, go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 8 more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right hand is underhand, left hand is overhand. We start on the side plane, left on top, right on bottom. Then we're going to take the poi, switch the position with an extension. Both poi are going to come out to the center, and then you return to your starting position. So it's extension, anti-spin, return. Extension, anti-spin, return. Extension, anti-spin, return. Or extension, that go to the middle, then come back to where you started. Extension, anti-spin, return. Extension, anti-spin, return. Extension, anti-spin, return. Extension, anti-spin, return. If you're working in an indoor space and you're limited by the ceiling, remember when you go to a larger space to practice, to expand the range of motion for the movement, to use the full range where you're going 6 to 12 as opposed to 11 to 7. Starts at the top, right starts at the bottom, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. You're going to do the front position. It's low as opposed to out here. So what you want to focus on is, and this might be affecting if you're feeling like there's like a little bit of a hiccup on it on this back part of the turn down here. As the poi comes up to here, right, this is where you start moving the arm forward. And you're going to, so you come down and you jump it out, you pop it out. So for me, this may not work with your physiology. For my physiology, there's sort of this motion where my hand is down here, but then I pop it like that. So there's a little bit of a, there's this, that same motion that we were talking about, pumping to get it up. There's a pumping to get it out and then up. So it's smooth, then pump and pump, smooth, pump and pump, smooth, pump and pump, smooth, pump and pump. And then you'll also notice if you watch my elbow, I'm saying smooth, and I'm waiting. Like right there, the poi is passing the 6 o'clock, which is being in line with my leg. It's passing the 6 o'clock, so that as it's coming up the top part of the turn, that's where I pump it out. And then as it's coming across the bottom of the turn back toward my face, that's where I pump it up. So with the poi, smooth, pump and pump, smooth, pump and pump, smooth, pump and pump, smooth, pump and pump. Let not my advice to use the pump to get it up, let that advice not be seen as me saying you should make the move less smooth. I'm more speaking to it as a subtle motion that's happening. It's still smooth, but there is that pump. It's just a micro motion that's happening in that whole bullet time experience of the full rotation of the poi. Yes, elbow locked will definitely impact this because I think it'll impact it in a couple of ways. You won't even notice it. This is an unfortunate part of practicing the micro version like this. With the micro version, you can get away. Look, my elbow is locked. So I'm locking my elbow and you can get away with it. Once you start extending the range of motion and coming all the way down, to get it here, to really get it to 6 o'clock, your elbow has to pass back behind your hip line. And that requires a bent elbow to get it there. Well, I mean, at least on my body. Maybe your body has superpowers, mine does not.